Okay, boys and girls, so here's my whiteboard. And I have these funny looking words here. Some of them are words that you might know, and some of them are just chunks of words. And if I read these chunks of words, this one says ip, this one says ill, all, it, and et. And I apologize if my hand is a little shaky. I'm trying my best here. So we are going to start with this chunk up here, the ip. And we are going to add letters in front of the ip to make it say different words that rhyme. So if I add this letter, that's a letter D, right? D says d, d. Oh, my magnet's not working. Okay, so d, ip, d, ip. What's that word? Dip. Very good. Now I'm going to take down my D. I'm going to put up this letter. If I put this letter next to the sound ip, what is that word going to say? Let's see. Ip. Rip. So dip and rip rhyme because they both end with IP. Okay. Our next one, I forgot my dot on my I here. Our next one, this chunk says ill, and I'm going to put the letter H in front of ill. What's that say? It says hill, right? Very good. Now I'm going to take away my it still says ill. Now I'm going to put a B. Now what does it say? Bill. Very good job. All right, we're moving through here. We're going to move over to this side. On this side, we have, sorry, my hands are shaky, this chunk, which is a sight word also, the word all. So if I put a f in front of all, what's that say? Fall. Very good. I'm going to take away the F. Put up a W. And W says w, so w, all. Yep, that word says wall. So fall and wall rhyme. Oh, gotta get down. We have two more to go. This one, we should know this one too because it's a sight word. What's that word? It. Very good. Now this is also a chunk word. We call them chunky monkeys sometimes. So they help us read other words. So it, I'm going to put a S in front of it. What's it say? Sit. Very good job. Now what rhymes with sit? Can you think of a word that rhymes with sit? Okay, let's see if mine's the same as what you thought. I'm going to put a P in front of my it. What does it say now? Pit. Very good. So pit and sit rhyme. I'm going to take away the P. We're moving on to our last one. Now this isn't a real word, so we have to kind of sound this part out. Et. Et. Can you think of a word that has the et sound at the end? Let's see if they're the ones that I have. My first word I'm going to make with the et sound. It's going to start with the letter V. V. Vet. Et. Is that a word that you thought of? All right, let's take vet away and see what we can get to rhyme with it. I'm going to put this letter up. This letter is M, and M says So et, met. So vet and met rhyme. All right, boys and girls, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed.